Hi kids! Today I'm going to draw a cute baby lion. Step by step. It's super fun and easy. Let's get started. Glitty art! English! First, I draw a big circle. This is the lion's face. Then I draw 2 small ears on top of the head. Next, I draw 2 round eyes, a tiny nose, and a smiling mouth. Now, I draw the mane. It goes all around the face like a big, spiky sun. After that, I draw the body and the legs. The baby lion is sitting, so I make the legs round and cute. Finally, I draw the tail. Now it's time to color. First, I color the eye lenses glittery gray. Then I color the outer part of the eyes and the nose black. Next, I color the ears, face, and the whole body glittery yellow. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they mostly live in grasslands and savannas, not jungles. Lion cubs are very playful. Just like kittens, they love to run, jump, and play with each other. Now I color the mane glittery orange. It looks so shiny and fluffy. A lion's mane helps protect its neck and makes it look bigger and stronger. And we're done. Look at our baby lion, so bright and adorable. Try this drawing at home and show your friends too. See you next time. Bye-bye.